guys, and welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So last time I already showed you guys how to make this Pokeball. If you haven't made this, so this is the Pokeball that can open up. As you can see, I have a Pikachu ring inside. Yep. Yeah, so last time I have a tutorial already, so if you want to build this one, you can go check it out. So it's openable, and then last time I didn't show you guys the stand, how to build it, so this time I'm going to show you. So as you can see, it fits perfectly. So I already took out the piece and put it in here. So just like that, so it can stay in there. As you can see, it doesn't fall, right? So it fits perfectly. So today I'm going to do a quick tutorial and teach you guys how to make this one. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. It's also the openable Pokeball, the Pikachu version. So it's all yellow, as you can see. Ooh, have a little Pokeball inside. See that? And then this Pokeball also have a tail on the back. So this one can also fit this. And then we also have the great ball in the blue color. Yeah, so just kind of showcase of these three right now. Alright, let's get started. So as you can see, this is the base piece, and we have 4 connectors. So let's put them in each side first, and then we're gonna go from here. Alright, so now we have the 4 sides, and we're gonna add this onto the top. Let's see. Hopefully this way will be easier. Yep, looking good. Oops, I have one bead that broke, but that's okay. Alright, so I'm gonna add these 2 onto each side first. Yep, looking good. And I'm gonna add this one. Let's try it this way. Yeah, so it looks good. And I'm gonna slide this one in so I can get this one in here. Yep, and then let's do the same on the other side. So we're gonna slide it and kind of pull under a little bit so it can go in. Yay! So we got this part done. All right, let's move on. So this one, let's add this side first. Yep, so we got this side in. And let's add this one onto this side. So we're gonna go around. And then one more. Yep, how we doing? This one should be upside down. Yep. All right, yeah, that will be perfect. And then this one, how can I miss that? All right, go like this. Now it's looking right. Yay. All right, so let's add this one. So as you can see, we're just gonna slide it through. Yep, got it. And then let's do the same on the other side. So slide under. Let's see. Yeah, so like that, and then slide it in. Yep, so you can see from the bottom to make sure the bead goes in. And then last 2 should be very easy. Just like so. And then one more on this side. Yay! So we got the base done. So now bring back our Pokeball. And then you can just simply slide it like onto the top. If you don't want it to be locked in, it can just sit on the top. It looks nice, right? But if you want it to be completely locked to fit, so I would take out the bottom piece to start. And then I'll put this bead right here. so it becomes a part of the base. And then you add this back to the Pokeball. Yay! So it will fit perfectly, as you can see. Even though I hold it this way, it's not falling. So because it locked inside. So this is perfect. And then it can also fit this onto the top. And then also the other one as well. So it fits all 3 Pokeballs. Alright, so I hope you already make this one. Tag me on Instagram for a special shout out. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends that would like to make a Pokeball as well. And stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.